Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in previous part of this video you already see the making procedure of this sand filtering system. In this system we have two parts. One part is basement and another is filtering part, and this filtering part will be moved forward and backward by using this wheel and one gear motor. You see here that we included here a net, and this net's hole will be different size and different net can be used here. You see here that this net is not fixed with our frame, it's removable, so we can change this one and we can insert another net in this same place. So if we change this net frame, on that case we can filter our different sizes sand or anything. So this is the smallest hole based net, and this one will be used here for maximum level filtering, and this one is middle size hole, and last one, that one is inserted here. This hole is biggest size in this three net, and now we can check our operation by make sure power supply to our gear motor. So we make sure power supply, it will be used here sand for filtering, but there have no sand in our office, that's why we just showing you the operation of filtering. So it will be the regular procedure for sand filtering. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.